Here's a quick demonstration to show you the true versatility of Multitool. With 4 simple steps, these 4 belts we have here are a 40 grit, a 100 grit, a 1200 grit Trizac and a Scotch-Brite. With 4 simple steps we can turn this rusty railway spike into a highly polished chrome type finish. Using the 40 grit we can remove all the scale and dirt from the top of the railway spike. Right. Then using 100 grit 3M belt, we can reduce the scratches left by the 40 grit belt. That will leave us with a slightly brushed type style of finish. Then we put on the Trizac 1200 grit belt, which will reduce the scratches even further to a satin type finish. Then using a 3M polishing belt and a small amount of compound, we can actually buff the top of the railway spike to a chrome type finish. Multitool will also reduce product by up to 5 times quicker than a normal grinder. I'll just give you a quick demonstration.